So you could already tell how this video gonna go. It already looks a mess. Do you see how thick it is? I look like something from Whoville. Honestly, I'm gonna redeem myself. Let me show you. What is going on, y'all? This is Powerfully Paige, a channel dedicated to teaching you how to look good, eat good, and live good. And today I am tinting my eyebrows because obviously I need it. I have no eyebrows. I got ass, not eyebrows. Some of us are, it doesn't matter. Anyway, so if this doesn't work out, I'm just gonna get microblading. So boom, this was $8.99 at Target. I got dark brown. I'm not using gloves because I'm letting my on the edge. You're gonna do equal parts of this. And then make sure your eyebrows are dry and prepped and all going in the same direction and upwards. And then after that, you're gonna touch them up. No sudden sounds, you're gonna fuck up your eyebrows that way. Then line them up. They ain't gotta be perfect. Your man's barber never makes his perfect, so just work with what you got.
Currently on the countertop so we can get a better view. It's on the other side.
And you're gonna pack them in like you used to do in the summertime when you were with your cousins. Just pack them hoes in. You're gonna look a little crazy, but make sure you clean them up with a Q-tip. This is imperative so you get those crisp, nice lines. And if there's any spots missing, touch them up, boo.
These are identicals. They're gonna get 5-minute timer.
5 minutes and boom. But do not forget to do this step. This is very important. You're going to ombre your brows because you know how brows are a little lighter in the front.
Okay. Is that ombre enough?
Boom. This is how you do it. I look like those vintage Cholo cartoons.
I'm gonna give this probably about 3 more minutes. Moment of truth.
Okay. They're not that bad. They're not that bad.
Oh, okay. This is the after. So thick, you know? Never gonna work tomorrow. It actually died this time, so it actually look good.
I'm trying to convince myself it's not that bad.
He's like, I actually have an eyebrow. I think they're a little dark right now, but I feel like once I go to bed and wash my face in the morning, we'll be good to go. I don't know why I feel like I need to do this, but and of course I got dye under my finger.
Stupid.
Shook back.
They alright. I mean, you know. I'm going to end up getting microblading anyway, so stay tuned and tell me if you've tried this or not. It was alright. I don't know the hype.